How to add music on a Canva video. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can add music to a Canva video. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to add a music to a Canva video, first of all you need to create your own project where you can add your own video. Just go on with the process of adding a video onto your new design. After that, in order to add a music to that particular video that is on your screen, the selected video, the way you want to add the music to. So you're just going to head over to the left side of the screen and you can find different options here. You're just going to look up for the option called audio there. You will just go to the app section and look up for the audio. You will be finding different options there. You may just look up for the option called music there, or add music or something similar to that. Otherwise, if you can't find that option under there, you may just simply go to the upload section where you can easily find the audio section. You can look up for that audio section, just tap on that audio. After that, you may simply upload the audio file or select the audio file that is already there. I'm just going to select the one that is already there. After that, it will adjust according to the video length. And that's how you basically add audio. You will just select it, edit it out accordingly, the part of the music that you want to put in the video. After that, play the video and edit it out accordingly. And that's how you basically do it. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.